When a Japanese person hears these 5 phrases come out from a foreigner's mouth, they stop talking down to you. They stop slowing their Japanese. They start treating you like an adult who actually get the language. Here are the 5. Why these 5? Quick context. These aren't the most common phrases, they are the most signaling phrases. Each one tells Japanese people understand the unspoken rules. I'm not a tourist, I'm not a beginner. I'm someone who lives in this language. If you only learn 5 Japanese phrases this year, these are the 5. Phrase 1, お疲れ様です. Literally, you must be tired. Functionally, it's the universal Japanese workplace greeting. Hello, goodbye, thank you for your work, I see you, all in one phrase. Use it walking past a coworker, starting a video call, ending a meeting, leaving the office at the end of the day. Why? It's signal to native. Tourists never use this. Beginners say, こんにちは. Working adults say, お疲れ様です. The first time you use it correctly, your Japanese coworkers will pause for a half a second, then smile. They notice. Pronunciation tip. Smooth it. Don't break it into syllables. お疲れ様です. One word. Try it tomorrow. Walk past a Japanese coworker. Say お疲れ様です. Watch the reaction. Phrase 2. なるほど. Translate roughly as I see or that makes sense. But it does more. It signals you're processing what someone said. You're following along. You're engaged. This is part of the system called aizuchi. Japanese listening responses. Japanese conversation experts the listener to insert short reaction throughout. Silence makes Japanese people uncomfortable. It signals you are not paying attention. When to use it. Someone explains something to you. Halfway through, you say, なるほど. They keep going. You say it again. It tells them, keep talking. I'm with you. One caution. Don't overuse it. 2 or 3 per conversation is plenty. Some learners discover なるほど and say every 5 seconds. That sounds rehearsed. Phrase 3. かしこまりました. This one's a power move. It's the formal version of understood used when a customer makes a request, when your boss gives you a task, when a client gives you instructions. You hear it from waiters, hotel staff, anyone in service, but when a foreigner uses it correctly, it floors Japanese coworkers. Because most foreigners say わかりました, which is correct, but plain. かしこまりました is keigo. It signals I understand my role. I understand who I'm speaking to. I'm taking this seriously. Use it when your manager assigns a task. Use it when a client asks for something. The first time you say it, your manager will likely raise an eyebrow. In a good way. Phrase 4. よろしくお願いいたします. You probably know よろしくお願いします. The longer version, お願いいたします is the business upgrade, humble form, more respectful. Use it end of your self-interaction, closing line a business email, after greeting on a deadline, ending a phone call with a client. It has no clean English translation. Closest is, I'm counting on your favorable cooperation, but that's clunky. The phrase itself does the work. It acknowledges you are about to depend on someone and you're grateful in advance. The delivery matters. Slight bow as you say it. Slow down on the last syllable. Don't rush. The pause is politeness. Phrase 5. The one that proves you understand Japanese workplace culture. お先に失礼します. Translation, excuse me for leaving before you. Used when you leave the office before your coworkers. Why this matters? Japanese workplace culture has a quiet rule that you don't leave before your boss or before others on your team when you have to. For a doctor's appointment, family obligation, and of your safety, you say お先に失礼します. Your remaining coworker reply, お疲れ様です。Thanks for your hard work. Mutual acknowledgement. Smooth exit. No awkwardness. The first time a foreigner used this correctly, Japanese coworker immediately upgrade their mental model of you. Quick recap. 1. お疲れ様です。Universal workplace greeting. 2. なるほど。Listening response. 3. かしこまりました。Formal understood. 4. よろしくお願いいたします。Humble closer. 5. お先に失礼します。The cultural exit. 5 phrases. That's it. Comment which phrase you are using first 1 through 5. Tell me what happened when you try it. I reply to every comment. 見てくれてありがとう。またね。